Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. And today we're going to discuss installing an analog module in a MAGIO circulator. Whether it's the MS or MX, the procedure's still the same. So you've gotten your MAGIO and suddenly decide, oh, I need an analog input-output on it. So we're going to demonstrate how to install the analog module that you will get in a box like this and in an ESD package. First thing you'll need to do is disconnect your MAGIO from power. So unplug it from the wall. And then you will need to access the rear. There is currently a cover plate over the space where the analog module will go. You'll need a Torx Plus 10 driver to remove the screws and save the screws. You'll be reusing those. The analog module plugs in from the side here, so you need to put it in the space and then slide it over to seat the connector. With the connector seated, you reinstall the screws, and now your analog module has been physically installed. After you've reconnected it to power, then you can go into the menus and access the analog inputs outputs. We have separate videos demonstrating the access in the menus and how to set up the EPROG and the other analog inputs outputs, but this was the physical installation of the module. Thank you for watching.